Imagine waking up tomorrow and NASA announces that a massive asteroid is heading toward Earth.
Nah, that's actually terrifying. Like movie-type terrifying?
Worse than the movies, because this has happened before, and it wiped out almost all life on Earth.
The dinosaurs?
Exactly.
So how would people even know an asteroid is coming?
Scientists constantly track near-Earth objects using giant telescopes and radar systems. If a dangerous asteroid was detected, governments would probably know months, maybe years before impact.
But imagine the panic online.
Total chaos. News channels everywhere, markets collapsing, people trying to leave cities.
Okay, but what actually happens when it hits?
First, the sky would light up brighter than the sun. Then comes the shockwave.
Like an explosion?
Bigger than any explosion humanity has ever created. Entire cities could disappear instantly.
It's insane.
And if it hit the ocean, massive tsunamis would cross entire continents.
So even people far away wouldn't be safe?
Not at all. Dust and ash would rise into the atmosphere and block sunlight across the planet.
Basically, an artificial winter?
Exactly. Crops fail, temperatures drop, food shortages begin worldwide.
So humanity wouldn't just be fighting the asteroid. We'd be fighting survival itself. It's honestly crazy how fragile civilization is.
Yeah, one object from space could completely change human history forever.
And somewhere out there right now, there are probably asteroids we still haven't seen.
That's the terrifying part. The dinosaurs never saw the asteroid coming. Humanity probably would. But the real question is, would we survive it?
That's honestly terrifying to think about.